There are a number of systems used by centres, but generally it involves recording the name and number of the athletes in their finishing order and later recording the times from the timekeepers. Time should be rounded upwards to the nearest tenth of a second and only recorded to 1 decimal place. Recording sheets for the long jump, triple jump, shot put, discus and javelin are essentially the same. There is 1 row for each athlete and 1 column for each of their attempts. The distance recorded in each attempt is entered into the appropriate cell. If the athlete records a foul, a cross is entered into the cell. If the athlete passes an attempt, a dash is recorded. The recording sheet for the high jump has a row for each athlete and a series of columns where the heights attempted are listed. These columns are split into sub-columns where the result for each of the 3 attempts an athlete can make at each height is recorded. If a jump is successful, a circle is placed in the appropriate cell. If a jump is unsuccessful, a cross is placed in the cell. If the athlete passes to another height, a dash is used. The competition is over for an athlete when they have 3 consecutive failures. The height which they have last cleared is then entered into the right-hand column. At the end of the competition, the athletes' performances are ranked in descending order to determine the finishing places. If 2 athletes have the same best height, a countback is applied. Whichever athlete has the least attempts at the last successful height is ranked higher. If that does not break the tie, the least amount of total misses is used. If that does not break the tie remains, except for first place in some competitions where a jump-off takes place.